going on, y'all? Might as well open this beast. Milwaukee M18 top off, 175 watt power supply, simultaneous power. Now I do have two of these, and I've been using my other one. It's got a regular USB and it's got a USB-C. The USB-C charges incredibly fast. It is the fastest charger for any USB-C device that I have, any wall charger, even the Samsung factory outlet thing that they come with. It's faster than that, so it's pretty good. I use it in the car. It charges faster than anything else, and I find that with my job, I do a lot of driving around, and if I'm in the car, it's kind of nice not to have the car on to be able to charge. You know, the car's the power outlet only works when the car's on. I mean, I could put in an auxiliary one with a switch, but I mean, this is probably easier. So this is basically what it looks like. It's got a little thing for a 2x4. It's got a little fan in the side of it. Of course, it's got USB-C and regular USB, and then you turn each one on individually. And when you turn this on, even when there's not a device on it, it stays on for a long time. It will eventually shut off. I don't know how many hours it stays on, but it stays on for quite a while. Let's grab a Milwaukee 5.0 battery, and let's just see. Let's see what it'll run. I've got this. Now I turn it on. You can hear it makes a little bit of a noise. Anyway, this is an 8. It says it's 1.38 amps, so it should run this portable ventilator. We'll see. It's 175 watts. Is what it says that it's rated. So we'll plug this beast in, and we'll see. We'll try it on low. It don't like that. Yeah, it's slow to start. I kicked it on high. That's pretty good though. It does have a little bit of a sound to it though. It's pretty impressive. I mean, that's a pretty strong fan. Let's see what else we can run. Let's see if it'll run this 42-inch barrel fan. Probably won't. Can't remember what. It's probably a third of a horsepower motor. Anyway, plug this beast in. Just plugged in. Let's try it on low. It is not doing it. Let's try it on high. Uh-oh. It's giving me the old. See the light? Yeah, it's not gonna be enough power to run that. Let's see what else we can run. All right, will she run bench grinder? 120 volt AC, 2.1 amps. 2.1 amps is at 110 volts. Is what is that? Amps times watts is volts. It should be like 250 watts, and this is only rated for 175, so it might not do it, but we give it a try. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it on, and then I'm gonna plug it in, and I'm gonna cut her on and see if she can start it. Oh, it's going. It's not liking it. Nope. It almost did. It got it going a little bit. Alright, it would not run a 6-inch bench grinder. It started to. Now this is a little mini chop saw. Let's see if it will run that. Alright, we'll turn this off. We'll turn it back on. It's got a safety thing in it, so 5.0, let's see if it'll start it. It will not run a chop saw. So obviously I'm running things that are way too big. But it will run a fairly decent sized fan, and I would imagine, I've heard that it will run a large TV. Let's go check that out. Well, before we get to the TV, let's try the stereo. plugged in. Tuner. Yep, no problem with the stereo. Alright, on to something else. Let's see if it will run this 65-inch LCD. No, it's an LED TV. Let's check it out. Alright, alright. So come in here. Come in here. And I have the power run through the wall into this plug here. So this is for the TV. So I'll plug it in here instead. Alright, I just plugged it in. Let's try it. See if it works. It's turning on. It's blue. Well, the LED's turned on. It probably will work. Maybe. It is only 175 watts. Yep. It will run a 65-inch flat screen TV. There it is. You hear it running? It's still running. What's up with that? Obviously, that's not the right plug. That's the soundbar plug. Oh, man.
That came from me. Really? My first idea.
Oh, I got an outlet.
In 1/4 of an hour, your savings will tower. Overview, figuratively speaking.
I'm gonna go check the living room TV. I cheated. Well, before we get to the TV, let's try the stereo. Plugged in. Tuner. Yep, no problem with the stereo. Alright, on to something. Alright, I'm in the living room. I'm going to try this 65-inch LG. Let's plug it in. Yep, it'll run it. I hear a noise in the TV though. See how I hit the button? Cuts right off. But it will run a 65-inch LED. Pretty impressive.